bikin gulali pakai gummy. Makan gummy dulu yuk. Kenyal manis. Mama.
Iya.
Es krim tinggi ya. Es krim marshmallow Mama. Ini hasilnya guys. Yuk kita coba. Maminya yummy. So sweet and tasty. You hear the crunchy guys?
Yes.
Wow. A lot of crunchy. Another sugar in it. You see a lot of sugar in it, and it's so tasty. Super. Next bikin pakai apa lagi guys? Komen di bawah ya. Subscribe ya. Bye bye.